ng Antino, kalalapag po lamang natin sa pandaigdigang paliparan ng Maynila. Maligayang pagdating sa Maynila. Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelts. Huwag mo nang tumayo at baka kayo masaktan sa biglaang paginto ng eroplano. Ang inyong mga gamit sa storage bins ay maaari lamang kunin kapag ang eroplano ay ganap nang nakahinto at nabigyan na kayo ng pahintulot na bumaba. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Welcome to Manila. The local time is 25 minutes past the hour of 12 in the afternoon, 31st of July 2012. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Refrain from standing as a sudden application of the brakes may cause you to fall. Do not remove your carry-on baggage from the overhead storage bins until the aircraft has come to a full stop and you have been given permission to disembark. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, take precaution when retrieving your carry-on baggage from the overhead storage bins. The items may have shifted during the flight and may fall and injure you or the passengers seated around you. On behalf of Captain Ken Hensolin and Dex Adeser and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, Asia's first shining through. For your information, you may find our best fares and latest promotions at our website, www.philippineairlines.com. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.